Hey, I'm Mike, and today we're going to try to clear this slow drain without going underneath the sink, without getting into the cabinet, just going through the top of the sink without getting our hands dirty. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. So you know when a sink starts draining slowly, you should take care of it. Most of us don't, and it turns into a full-blown clog. This is not bad, but I can tell it's on the way to a full-blown clog, so I want to take care of it early. I want to give you an idea of the before and the after. So this is the before. I just filled up the sink and lifted the stopper so you can barely hear it. Before we get started, always put on gloves to protect yourself. You do not want to get hepatitis doing home repairs. And what I'm going to use are a couple of different tools. These are both very similar. One is a thin piece of plastic with teeth on it. You can see the teeth there, and you can also see that I have used this before. Look at the nastiness on there. Anyway, the idea is that this slides down into the drain, and you pull it back up, and these teeth grip the hair and pulls the hair out. Okay, so our drain is finally stopped. The other tool I have, which I've not used before, is this thin little piece of plastic, wiry looking stuff. And on the end of it is this hook and with some barbs along the edge there. And same idea, it's gonna grab the hair. This is gonna hopefully punch through the hairball and then pick it up and pull it out. Most likely what's gonna happen is we're gonna pull out little pieces of hair along the way. Okay, I'm gonna start out with this more flexible one, and the reason I'm gonna do that is that I'm concerned with the other one, with the plastic, that I could actually break it off in there, and then I have to go in and take apart the piping anyway, which I don't wanna do. So we're just gonna slide this through this gap here. By the way, there's a linkage in the back, so you don't wanna go through the back, you wanna go through the front or maybe the side, but let's see if we can get it down there to the point where we can pick something up. Now I'm pulling it out and it feels stuck on something. Okay, so there's a little something down there. Let's try that again. Oh, look at this. What the hell? Ooh, nasty. So either my stopper wasn't in correctly, or the linkage down there is corroded or something. But anyway, what this will do is it'll allow me to get in there pretty easily now without disturbing the other part here. So let's try to push this on down. Yeah, there's definitely something down there. Just tiny little bits of nothing, really. So a couple things could be happening. Either this just isn't a quality product to pick this stuff up, or the clog may be further down there. Come on, let go. Okay, so let's try the other one, see what we get. Now that the stopper is out of the way, this shouldn't have a whole lot of issues. But boy, I'm really concerned about this getting stuck. Yeah, see, I can hardly even pull that out, although look at the stuff coming out on it. Gross. See, here's why you wear gloves too. And that is as far as that's going to go. So you're going to have to twist a little bit to get it down to where you need it to go. And we may have no other alternative than to disassemble the pipes down below, which is not a big deal. It's just kind of dirty work. There's some more grossness. So we're going to keep going at this until I pull back a couple of clean ones. Yuck. gross. I can hear the water level in there. All right, I'm gonna get a paper towel or something to clean this up a little bit. All right, well, I got a paper towel here, and just gonna kind of wipe all this stuff up. That is really gross. Smells good too. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in my hair bag. Yeah. Somebody's been getting a haircut in this sink, I think. My bag of hair. Gross. I'm almost at the point where I'm gonna run some water and see how we do. It's pretty good. All I gotta do now is put back my my pop-up. I don't think, yeah, this pop-up's in good shape. It's dirty, but it's in good shape. So I think the linkage down below, it's called a pivot rod, is broken or corroded off, so I'll need to replace that. Pull it out enough to get this in. Come on, get out. There we go. Gross. Okay, that looks pretty good. Honestly, we didn't pull a whole lot out of it, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that drain. So let's fill it up and do the after and see how well it goes. I won't fill it all the way up because that's boring, so let's just stop it there. Press the thing. And that looks pretty good. And that's a great sound of a drain. All right, so typically the pop-up doesn't come off, and you won't ever need to go under the sink when you use these little tools, but mine did, so you got to see how fun that is. Typically you can just go right to the top with these, in and out with the little sticks, and you'll pull hair out, and that'll be that, just like I showed you in this video. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you next time.